So let's load an agent, man_vary.cdo. Now here is a regular humanoid agent, skinned with geometry, and we want to make a whole crowd of these guys, but we don't want them all looking alike. So in order to get some variation, let's go down to the body page and we'll make use of agent variables and variation. So click on Variables tab in the body page and we'll add some variables. First thing we'd like to vary is the agent's height. We'd like the agents to all be different heights. We'll give it a range of 0.8 to 1.2. So all the agents we place will be randomly of different heights from 0.8 scale to 1.2 scale. And that brings up another interesting idea, is that shorter people don't necessarily have smaller heads. All humans have heads of approximately the same size, so that smaller people have proportionately larger heads. So we'll add another variable for the head height. And this one we're going to relate to the height variable with an expression, 1 over height. And something else we can vary is he's got a t-shirt as one of his clothes, and that t-shirt we might want to put different kinds of texture maps on it. So shirt map 1 to 4. We have 4 maps. We'll see later. And finally, he could even be wearing another different type of geometry for a shirt, a sweatshirt. So we'll call it shirt type, and this allows him to choose between 2 different types of shirts, 2 different pieces of geometry entirely. We'll give it a range of 0 to 1. 0 will be one type of shirt and 1 will be the other type. So now all those are set. Go to Vary, and we're still having the whole agent selected. And so this is the whole agent scale, and we'll drive it with the variable height. The head size, we'll select the segment head, go to the tab Vary, and under scale we pick head height. And now for the shirt, Alt M to look at the geometry. We'll assign it a material, and under diffuse grab a texture map from maps short sleeve shirt 1B, and we notice there's also a 2B, 3B, and 4B. And we would like Massive to randomly pick one of those 4 for every agent. So where the 1 is, we replace it with the variable shirt type, shirt map that we created earlier, enclosed in single quotes. And we gave that a range of 1 to 4, so this value will be between 1 and 4, and round to the nearest. And finally, another different type of shirt geometry altogether. Create a geonode and bring in sweatshirt.obj, and we want him to pick one or the other, not both. So connect sweatshirt and shirt, and the variable that determines this is shirt type, which, if you remember, we gave a range of 0 to 1. If it's 0, we'll have a sweatshirt, and if it's 1, we'll have a shirt. And it will round to the nearest again. So now finally, let's place these agents. That's a bit big. If we zoom in, we'll see that the agents are all different heights. The shorter ones have larger heads, proportionate to their size. The ones that are wearing t-shirts all have different texture maps, and some of them are wearing the untextured sweatshirts. And that's how we get a diverse crowd with just one agent.